Ice Storm 2016. Time to go slow. Let's see how many people are going to slide off the road. Dusky's going to take over filming. Got any color commentary, Ben? This is probably worse than the other ice storm I filmed last time, boys and girls. I'm just waiting for somebody to slide off the road. Should I put the emergencies on, Hog? Time to get out of Salt Lake.
Those aren't really that good, huh?
What? No. Dude, this is sick, dude.
Dude, those are way too sweet.
Just waiting for the wreck. Hasn't really hit right here yet, huh? The road's not that bad. The storm's more in Murray still. I've never seen it do an ice storm like this here in a while. Not in Salt Lake. Look at Mr. Hummer. He's going fast because he wants to get into a wreck. What? This is what you do right here. What's up with all the weird angles and stuff? This is like the worst color commentary I've ever heard. Uh-oh. Here's your first wreck. Got to make sure you get a good shot of the ambulance, dude. No, watch nobody pull over. Keep on driving, folks. Just an emergency vehicle, that's all.